hot lemons action going on here.
What it do, baby?
Lemons in.
So basically, Ben has been running his mouth, saying that he can eat more spicy shit than me.
Dude, you're not even on the first level.
I mean, let's be honest, okay? We'll go through favourites. Obviously, I'm standing at a -200. I'm the favourite.
My money's on Ben.
Ben?
My money's on Ben.
My chance.
I know that you're gonna be out real quick. So, I know Emil can like push his limit above the ordinary level, and he'll puke before he gives up. On
Yeah,
the challenge.
Emil's gonna ego this challenge.
Yeah, I think he might. So I'm kind of scared to be.
I mean, Mil's been running his mouth as well. So, yeah, a lot.
He has been.
Who's better between you two though?
Yeah, he'd get fucked up. Yeah.
But who's the
like? You said the bomb. You said one drop of the bomb. is hot.
The bomb is hot. The bomb is hot. You were diluting that bottle. It looks a bit thin on the video.
I'll take a full spoonful of the bomb any day of the week. But alright.
I'll show you some ingredients. We'll start off with the good shit.
It's the habaneros.
Habaneros.
So dry chilies, boy.
Dried habaneros.
Habaneros.
And then these are...
Yeah, these are 청양고추.
You're done, boy.
I get fucked up from those things. Can I get an exhibition of a chef cutting an onion? I've never seen it.
You didn't even bring your knives?
Of course not.
Yeah, he's got that little Frodo knife bag, like.
Yes,
Does he
I
actually?
feel like you're gonna
You wanted me to bring that with me?
Yeah,
it looks like
I
something
thought
out of Lord
I
of the
wanted to
Rings.
see it.
And then we got some... You got slice of
Maybe
pineapple.
No, I
with
can
cheese.
hear I can hear the sarcasm in
One
your voice.
shot. So we got some ginger there.
Cilantro.
Cilantro?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you think it's called?
I would have loved to
Maybe
hear
coriander.
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 I'm just gonna use the stems.
Okay.
So I just get
Only
some
the
floor.
stems. I always cut off the stems and throw them away when I usually cook with.
I think the stems have tons of flavour in them and you can cook with them. And the leaves give you that fresh flavour at the end.
Okay. So you're gonna use both.
So here we got some fresh thyme as well.
Do you think we really have time for that?
For what?
Did you not get it? You didn't get it.
I'll punt. It's gonna take a full lap.
What, mate?
On that little punt.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay. Yeah. No. You leave right now. On that one, man. I respected it until you said puntastic.
We'll throw coriander straight in.
To be fair, I've never made a hot sauce.
You never made one?
Yeah, I hear people making them. I hear about it. People making hot sauces, and I looked into it a little bit, and I feel like it's not that difficult.
It's really not that.
Alright, let me see.
It's actually like, normally when I make a hot sauce, I don't make it this hot because I want people to enjoy it.
Okay.
But I've just gone for some simple ingredients here because you're probably not going to taste them because you're going to get burned.
Supposedly, man, that's the goal. I mean,
Yeah, that's the goal of the video.
Right.
To,
Ben called up the hotline and he was like, I want this shit fire. Don't even matter about taste. Give me that fire, bro. That's what we bring. Fire, bro.
Alright. We're going to slice up the ginger.
Wasn't a joke, that was real talk.
Yep.
Real talk in New York.
I'm going to go over a quarter of this ginger. I don't even know why I cut it all up. And I'm going to slice one, you're going to slice one as well, Ben.
Me? Oh,
You're going to slice one over.
Okay, I got you.
Alright, so all you got to do is just go up and down like this. And flip it.
Run it back. I missed it. Run it back.
Alright, Ben Dean, your
You
turn.
don't need to. I feel like for this recipe, a half an onion is perfect.
I will give you a 2x on this. I'll give you a 2x.
Okay, like fast forward.
Yeah.
You're doing this one?
Yeah.
What, you better do one-handed?
Well, I was gonna do this one.
You can do whatever. No, I mean, no, you gotta do it this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Be amazed.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, let's go. That's Dean.
Not bad, that's not bad.
Damn.
Jeez, drop
Let's
the
go, brother.
knife.
Let's go, brother.
No.
Do you cook
You know
on your
what?
channel, or is that just like natural?
You know,
That's just natty?
You know,
That's good.
you
That's
just
good.
smoking.
Hey,
You just
smoking.
Let's go. Let's
Yo,
go.
I know like 17 restaurants that are trying to hire you right now. That's crazy.
Hey, New York.
You just lost your 2x. That was nice. That was
Hey,
nice.
that ain't
You know,
too bad.
I didn't actually expect that. You know what?
You know, I just replicated what you were doing.
Man, lose.
That ain't bad.
Monkey
That
see,
ain't
monkey do.
bad. Monkey see.
So we just chop up this time. It smells good, right?
good, man.
Yeah? What does it
It's
smell like?
about time we cut that shit up.
These chilies are pretty hot. I mean, I can just...
What are you looking at?
Right.
Okay.
I don't like just changing challenge already.
Trying to warm himself
This is about
up.
to
He's
be
trying to cheat.
yeah.
He's trying to cheat. He's
I
trying
mean,
to numb his mouth
we
muscles.
all know who's gonna win anyway.
Emil, what are my odds right now?
I'll give you a million
Million
one.
dollars.
I'll give you a million one.
$1,000?
You beat me, I give you a million one.
Okay,
How
here we
do I
go.
beat you? I just have to not drink milk before
So, and not make a face.
This is
These are the hot ones.
where it gets scary.
Yeah, yeah,
This is
this-
where it gets real.
This is where it hurts. So first,
Oh yeah.
you need to take off these bits. It's really annoying, but you do. Yeah.
That's not very.
Yeah, it's not a hard job. It's just annoying to do.
Your
Send
finger's
that
going to be
in.
burning later then.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, your fingers.
You don't want to touch these.
Don't go to the toilet after.
Don't touch your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they. That's
No,
what
I'm
they
not
say.
even joking. That's the only fingers with the habaneros.
To be honest with you, habaneros are not even like they're not scary to me. What I'm scared of is ghost chilies and Carolina Reapers, man.
Yeah.
That's what I'm scared of. Habaneros, that's like child's play. All right, what are we going?
Right.
with?
So basically, I couldn't find any rice wine vinegar, but it's like barley vinegar. Basically the same thing. What you want when you make a chili sauce, you don't want to buy the nice vinegars. You want to buy the really harsh ones that like you wouldn't go anywhere near.
It
And
smells pretty harsh right off the bat.
yeah, and that's exactly what you want because when you add like chilies to
Yeah.
a harsh oil, it actually makes it really nice.
Does it not remind you of hot sauce a little bit, that smell?
Oh yeah, I like a vinegary hot sauce.
Yeah.
Emil's
That's what hot sauces are.
Well, not always. Not
It
always.
is pretty much vinegar and
Not
vinegar,
always.
yeah.
There's multiple types of hot sauce. You don't even know about it. They don't even know.
dude, they have no idea.
Alright.
You guys have not been to America.
But I didn't know, to be fair, that much vinegar went into a hot sauce.
It's usually 50% vinegar and
Yeah, no,
50% chili.
He kind of pumped that.
You want to double up the vinegar with the water,
Okay.
just so when you cook it, it comes down, and you don't want to lose the vinegar. So the water going in is just to balance it.
So
to be honest,
it's
like
that.
at this point, you're not actually going to be tasting with salt like anything but chili anymore.
Right. I mean, you gotta add salt to any.
Of course, you got to lift it up.
How long will this take to reduce?
No.
So this is going to cook on the stove about half an hour.
Half an hour? We're losing light, man. I can't even lie. That's what they put on 20.
You know, by this point, Bendine, I couldn't even tell you how long this is going to take.
Straight to the stove.
Yep. Oh, that's low. It's a little bit hot. Okay.
Boiling hot pan.
Which one?
Floyd, I
Chef hands. Chef hands.
Okay, there we go.
There we go.
Actually, that's pretty perfect, dude.
Good shot.
That's looking good.
So we gotta blend that, or what do you say?
Yeah, we're gonna blend that. We're literally just gonna pick out all the hot now. We're going for that one blend.
The one blended.
The one blend.
My eyes are already burning, man, to be honest with you.
Yeah,
My eyes are hurting.
It smells really bad.
Oh!
It stings the nostrils. For damn sure.
Dude,
Ooh! Oh! Wow, yeah, that does get the eyes.
that's crazy. Well, look into this pot right here. How many habaneros do you see? I don't see any. You
Yeah.
put them all in there, didn't you?
All in there. Don't try this at home. But if you do try this at home, do a couple of blends. This is pretty hot, so it might explode.
Come on, man, do it. What? I got a bowl for you. Actually, I don't, but I have a cup. Four guys, one cup. All right. That's menacing. Can't lie.
I'd say this is. Of course, Ben Dean's got a Pepsi cup.
Yeah, of course I do.
Not cola.
I feel like most of the people who are watching this are going to come from his channel. If you're not for some reason, watch Bendine's video.
We're about to eat it.
Yeah.
And you're about to. Well, I'm hoping I'm not gonna die. I'm prepared for it. To be fair.
It looks menacing. Let's
Yeah.
give it that.
Same.